The home of Gargi, Maitri, and Kapila was at Mithila. Which area of India was known as Avantika in ancient times? Malwa. The social system of Hadappan was fairly egalitarian. Name the Veda that provides information about civilization of early Vedic age. Rig Veda. The university which became famous in the post-Gupta era was Nalanda. Bana Bhatta was the court poet of which empire? Harshvardhan. The first Indian ruler who established the supremacy of Indian Navy in the Arabian Sea was Raja Rajavan. The first Tirthankara of Jains was Rishabh. The great skill route to the Indians was opened by Kanishka, the ruler of which dynasty started the practice of granting tax-free villages to Brahmins and Buddhist monks. Satavahana. The most important text of Vedic mathematics is Sulva Sutras. Yavanika or curtain was introduced in the Indian theatre by which of the following? Greeks. Who started Sakha era which is still used by Government of India? Kanishka. What inspired the paintings of Ajanta? Compassionate Buddha. Which of the following is classical Jivika Chintamani in Tamil associated? Jainism. Where did Lord Buddha breathe his last? Kushinagar. Who were the first kings to issue gold coins in India? Indo-Greeks. Where is Bhubaneswar temple situated? Tanjore. In Tamil literature, is glorious book Shilpadikaram and Mani Medi Kalai are related to Buddhism. Who established Mahabalipuram? Pallava. The Saka era commencing from AD 78 was founded by Kanishka. Gandhara School of Art came into existence in Mahayana sect, out of which of the following remaining excavated in Indus Valley, which one indicates the commercial and economic development? Seals. Who according to the Buddhist is believed to be next incarnation of Gautam Buddha? Maitreya. Who were the contemporaries of Kanishka? Nagarjuna, Ashwaghosha and Vasumitra. Which rulers built the Ellora temples? Rashtrakutas. Who had also the name Devanama? Piyadasi. Mauryan king Ashoka. The subject matter of Ajanta paintings pertains to Buddhism. Muhammad bin Qasim conquered Sindh in the year 712 AD. The word Satyamev Jayate in the state emblem of India were taken from Upanishad. The earliest city discovered in India was Harappa. The famous rock-cut temple of Kanishka is at Ellora. Who was the court poet of Harsha? Banabhatta. Where is the Lingaraj temple located? Bhubaneswar. Who wrote the grammatical work Ashtadhyayi? Panini. Bitapala and Diman, the two great artists that India had produced, belong to the Pala age. Buddha gave his first religious message at Sarnath. The origins of Indian music could be traced to Samavedic Samhita. The Gupta era was started by Sri Gupta. Which Chola king founded the city of Puhar, Karikala? Which Rashtrakuta ruler built the famous Kailash temple of Shiva at Ellora? Kushan I. Which museum houses the largest collection of Kushan sculptures? Mathura Museum. Mahavira was born in Kshatriya clan by the name of Janatrika. Virupaksha temple was built by Chalukyas. Takshila was famous site of Gandhara Act. The gold coins were introduced first in India by the Greeks. The art style which combines Indian and Greek features is called Gandhara. The Hadappans were the earliest people to produce cotton. The Megalithic culture 500 BC AD 100 brings us to the historical period in South India. The megaliths used graves encircled by big pieces of stones. Chinese pilgrim who visited India during Harshvardhan's period was Heng Sung. Chalukya king Pulaksen II was defeated by Mahendravarman I. Greek Roman art has found a place in Buddhist art. The Ajanta paintings belongs to the Gupta period. The Hadappans were urban. The Rashtrakuta kingdom was founded by Dandi Durga या Danti Durga. The paintings in Ajanta and Ellora caves are indicative of development of art under the Rashtrakutas. Gupta dynasty was famous for art and architecture. The last Buddhist king who was a great Sanskrit scholar and a writer was Harshvardhan, who built Bridheshwar temple at Tanjore, Raja Raja Chola. The third Buddhist council was patronized by Ashoka. Carving in the famous Ajanta caves was first started during the region of Satavahanas. The official court language of Guptas were Sanskrit. The most distinguished ruler of Chalukya dynasty was Pulaksen II. Harshcharita was written by Banabhatta. The capital of Kanishka was Purushapura. In which language were the Buddhist text Pitakas composed? Pali. Who was called India's Napoleon because of his victories? Samudragupta. Buddhism in Nepal was introduced during the reign of Ashoka. The Palwas ruled from Kanchipuram. The greatest Kushan leader who got converted into Buddhism was Kanishka. The Gupta king was the Gupta king who assumed the title of Vikramaditya, Chandragupta II. Which ruler murdered the father Bimbisara to ascend the throne? Ajatashatru. Which ruler founded the famous Vikramshila University for the Buddhist? Dharmapala. A great astronomer and mathematician during the Gupta period was Aryabhatta. Which of the following Gupta kings stopped the Huns from invading India? Skandgupta. Alexander and the army of Porus camped on the opposite banks of this river, Jhelum. Who were the first to issue gold coins in India? Kushans. Name the wife of Emperor Ashoka who influenced him. Karuvaki. Purushapura is the other name for Peshawar. Which of the following was the capital of Chola kings? Tanjore. Triptika is a religious book of Buddhist. Which of the following material was mainly used in the manufacture of Harappan seals? Terracotta. The capital of Palwas was Kanchi. Who defeated Harshvardhan on the banks of Narmada? Pulaksen II. During whose reign did the Gandhara school of art blossom? Kanishka. The Gupta Saka was founded by Chandragupta I. The language from which the term India is derived is Persian. The staple food of Vedic Aryans was milk and its products. Name the centers of learning Chanakya, the famous teacher of Chandragupta Maurya, was associated Takshila. Rath temples at Mahabalipuram were built in the region of which Palwa ruler? Mahendravarman I. Name the Chola king conquered Ceylon या Singhal first. Raja Raj I. Most of the Chola temples were dedicated to Shiva. In the Gupta period, the largest number of coins were issued in gold. The tax which the kings used to collect from the people in the Vedic period was called Bali. Buddha preached his first sermon at Sarnath. Charak was the famous court physician of Kanishka. Great Stupa at Sanchi is in Madhya Pradesh. Hadappa is situated on the banks of the river Ravi. Who was the Chola king who brought Ganga from north to south? Rajendra Chola I. Who was Chandragupta II? What was Chandragupta II also known as? Vikramaditya.